without the approval of the panelist. O, kinsa may grado ninyo? Panelist. Ako, grado sa ko ninyo. At panelist. No? E, kinsa may mo testify nga ni pasar mo. The panelist. Kung di mo papasaran sa panelist, I cannot force the panelist to let you pass. Okay? Another withdrawal. Oh, okay. Mga ko, what are the reports that you are going to create? Withdrawal report. Enrollment withdrawal report. No, subject withdrawal report. You shut down that one. Study load. What are you going to do with the student changes schedule? Are you going to produce a new study load?
Yes.
O yeah, mo change na sa siya ugma og laing subject. Are you still going to produce a study load?
Yes, sir.
And the following day, the student will also change the subject. Are you still going to change the study load? Sa ubang pilahan, the third issuance of the study load means payment. Nagatungok man siguro po na sa ubang pilahan, di ba? Pagpaprinta kag laing study load, di ba? San Jose, San Carlos, UP, ini.